for me. Sorry for playing in the background, but look at this shit, dude. Turn. In the mouth, too. It's about a little 2-pound common carp right there. On a blade bait. It's my first common carp of the year, too.
It's crazy, really?
No, I caught a koi up in my koi pond. This is my first wild common of the year.
Okay.
Alright, I'm gonna get Alright, I'm gonna get a picture real quick of this guy.
Oh, you want me to turn off?
Yeah, sure. Then I'll get a release on my phone.
Okay. You just let him go. I'm pretty sure he'll just swim off. Like,
Yeah, I always like giving a good release for this.
Alright.
Look better. There he goes. There he goes. Okay guys, look at this shit. I caught another carp in the mouth on the blade bait. Another carp on another blade bait. Oh. Crucian carp. Was that a fat ass common? Let's see. Check the mouth. Fin. Oh, crucian. Another crucian carp on the blade bait. Look at that. God, these carp look. You want them? Sir, you want the carp? Alright. Oh, this guy go. These carp are hitting blade baits. It's weird. Oh, he's got, look at that. That's kind of cool. He's got that orange spot there. Alright, I'm going to get a quick picture of that orange spot and let this fish go. I can do that picture while videotaping now. That's actually really... That's nice. Alright. Get a release on this carp. Another carp on a blade bait.